history of the Garifuna Choir.
Testing. How do you say that in Garifuna?
The Belize City Garifuna Choir was formed and established by Mr. Theodore Palacio and wife for over 50 years, Mrs. Bridget Palacio, and members of the Garifuna Choir in August of 1998. The purpose of this choir was to instill Garifuna pride in being Garifuna and Belizean into our people, to further promote and preserve Garifuna dual and culture through music. Lastly, to set a high standard of performance for our audience and a deeper appreciation of Garifuna music that also enriches the unique Belizean identity. The